chapter we will study about the area of triangles. In this first, for example, there's a triangle and these are the different heights, and we'll calculate the area by half into base into height. Now we'll equate all the areas by taking different height and base. So we'll equating this, half will cut down and we'll get this relation. So h1 by h2 is equal to b2 by b1. Now will be the base, lesser will be the height. Now orthocenter is basically the intersection of the different heights. Now the second one is calculating area by semi-perimeter. In area is equals to under root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S is the semi-perimeter, which is equals to the sum of the sides upon 2. Sum of the side of the triangle upon 2. Now the size of the triangle is given and we have to calculate the height. So we'll equate the area by using the both method. This method and half into base into height, and then we calculate the height by this method. Now there another formula of area is A is equals to ABC upon 4R. In this there is a triangle inside the circle, and this is circumcircle. This is a circumradius. So this is basically the sides of the triangle upon 4R. R is the circumradius, as you can see. Now the fourth method is A is equals to R into S, where S is some semi-perimeter and R is the radius, in radius. In radius is basically, for example, inside the triangle there is a circle. Here this is different. So in this is in radius. Inside the triangle there is circle and whose radius is called in radius. So in radius in circle, interaction section of the point at internal angle bisector. Example, all the internal angle of the triangle will bisect each other and meet at the common point, and from here we'll draw the circle, and this is called the in center, and this radius is called the in radius. Now fifth formula is A is equals to half into AB sin theta. Both angles are given and the ratio of the sides are given, as you can see, 3:2 and 4:5. Now area of the triangle we can calculate by the ratio of sides as well. Is equals to by using this formula, half into 2x into 4x into sin theta, and bigger triangle area is half into 5y and 9y, 5y and 9y into sin theta, and we'll get the ratio